Hello everyone and welcome back to Me Explains. Today I come with this very tricky math series. You can solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you a shout out here. So don't worry, just comment. You can be the part of that list. So here we have question number 14, 4, 6, 10. This is missing and 24. Pause this video and think what it can be. Okay. I will give you 4 options here. First one is 12, 14, 16 and 18. Pause this video, solve and comment your answer. Okay. I'm gonna solve this video. So we have here what? 4, 6, 10, then this is missing place and 24. There are a simple way you can see what difference is there. This is a very basic way to solve a series. 4, when we add plus 2, you will get 6 here. Okay, and what is the difference here? 6 and 10, that is plus 4. Now whatever this place, I don't know what, like this. Okay, so we can see there is plus 2 in that case, like here plus 2 plus 4, like 2 times 2, that is 4. No, not like that. 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6, and 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. So whatever value that will be, satisfy this value, then your answer will be right. So you can put here 10 plus 6, which equals to 16, and when we add 16 plus 8 we will get 24. So here 16 is the right answer. And if you're seniors, then must check out our best product link in the description for you. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.